Hey, Rob Nolli here. I'll do a quick walk around of the latest purchase I got. Haven't even seen it in the daylight yet. So far looks pretty straight. Mostly stock. Let's see what it looks like inside. It is an LS T56 car. Looks like it's gonna need a little bit of work. The original ad on OfferUp had the car listed as a 6-cylinder, had terrible pictures, and the car was a mess inside and outside in the photos. I would suggest when listing a car, take clear photos on a bright sunny day inside and outside with accurate descriptions of the car. Also clean the car, vacuum it out real good, detail it. It'll be worth more money in the long run. Not too bad, looks pretty clean. It does have some full-length aftermarket headers. SLP airbox. Need a little oil. Let's see if it runs. Alright, just washed it up. Now it's time to vacuum it out, clean out the inside. I mean, if you're gonna sell a car, clean it up a little bit. One of the things that's pretty easy to fix on the car that really makes a big difference is cleaning up the headlights. So we'll do that next. That's what they look like now. Oh, here's another quick, easy detail to fix on the Camaro. It's about $10 to replace the window tint. So you see it's coming off here. Look at that, taken care of and cleaned up. Sewing a new leather wrap on the steering wheel takes about an hour, and it really cleans up the interior. I sanded the car with a DA and 100 grit sandpaper. After prepping the car for plastic dip, it was time to spray it. For $20, I added some red plastic insert letters for the front and rear bumpers. The last thing to address was the seats. For around $300, I got replacement leather for the front seats. There are no special tools needed to replace the leather. Just remove the seats, remove the leather. It's just held on with a couple of clips and Velcro, and then install. Back seats were in good shape. To make them match the front, we just used some Duplicolour dye and matching color. Here's a quick video of the interior now that the leather is done and it's been cleaned out. Back seats match the front. Steering wheel. With a little bit of effort and minimal cost, the car came out great. Now we'll see what it's worth.